The go-to product for the removal of mastics, layered adhesives, and even glues that are 50 years old is Blue Bear's Beanie Do Mastic Remover. Made with soybeans, it is ideal for use in occupied areas where safety is important. Beanie Do works more efficiently and helps create a safer restoration site compared to traditional hazardous mastic removers. Apply Beanie Do Mastic Remover directly onto the concrete surface with a straw broom, long-handled brush, or squeegee using pressure. Allow it to sit until the mastic is softened, and then remove with a long-handled scraper or squeegee. Clean up any remaining residue with Blue Bear Emerge Cleaner and Degreaser, or water using a scrub brush, mop, or power washer. To make sure all product has been removed, apply water to various small areas on the concrete and rub with your fingers. If it turns cloudy white, then there is still remaining product, and repeat the cleanup steps to remove completely. When looking for the ideal product to remove mastics on floors in your home, garage, business, or any other area where safety is important, look no further than Blue Bear's Beanie Do Mastic Remover.